This video is for telling how to annotate on the screen during online classes or meetings when the screen is being shared. Here we can zoom in as well as zoom out. If the image is not clear, we can zoom in and zoom out. We can also rotate the image by rotating the device. Zoom in and zoom out can be done here also. Now we will start annotating on this image. First we will zoom in as per requirement, because once the writing options are highlighted, zooming is not possible. Zoom in or zoom out. Now when you will touch the screen, you may see a small blue circle on the left corner. When you will touch this, it will be highlighted. Again, by touching this, we will get this bar at the bottom. This bar has different options: pen, highlighter, line, arrow, rectangle, oval, text, color, erase, undo and redo, and then clear, that is for deleting. Here let us try all the options one by one. With the help of pen you can write. Oh, it's too broad. Now I have to change the width. So again I will touch the color option. Here we can change the width of the pen. If I choose the thinner one, then we'll write with a thin line. We can undo it like this, and we can also clear it. Now next is highlighter. Again we can use highlighter of different widths. Mostly the wider one is preferred. We can choose colors from here. I choose blue. I can highlight it like this. Say for example, I have to highlight 3-letter words. I'll highlight this. Okay, and I can also erase up by choosing eraser. Okay, then next is line. It will simply give you straight line like this. Undo. Now rectangles, arrow. We have arrow option. We can draw arrows like this. A rectangle, we can draw a rectangle, and this width can always be changed from here, and colors also. Yeah. Then next is oval. You can make circles with the help of oval option like this. Again, the color and width option can always be changed. Clear all. And erase I have already told you. So I hope that makes it easier for you to understand how to write on the screen during online classes or meetings.